The following video demonstrates how to safely and effectively clean your Glory RBG-100 cache recycler using a quick cleaning kit. When used routinely as a preventative care approach, the cleaning kit will significantly reduce the frequency of jams and unnecessary rejects, improve overall performance, and help avoid unscheduled downtimes due to excessive buildup on critical components. To begin cleaning, remove the pre-moistened cleaning cards from the pouch. Using the cache replenishment function, insert the first cleaning card, tab first, into the note acceptor. After the card has cycled through, remove, flip over, and reinsert for a second time. With each cycle, the waffled cleaning card quickly loosens and removes problematic buildup from critical components inside of the device. After 2 full cycles, remove the card from the reject bin and dispose. To ensure a complete clean, use the second cleaning card and insert into note acceptor, following the same cleaning instructions. After 2 full cycles, remove the card from the reject bin and dispose. The final step includes a dry lens wipe for removing contaminants from the note reader section. To begin, unrack the RBG-100 and open the note reader section as shown. Using the dry lens wipe, gently wipe away common dust and debris buildup along the edge of the pathway and remove any residual moisture on lenses. For the best results, be sure to wipe lenses in one direction instead of back and forth. After one final inspection, close and latch the note reader section and return the Glory RBG-100 back to service. A scheduled weekly cleaning using the quick cleaning kit is recommended to maintain device performance.